Maytag with the lid's door switch problem, and the door was stuck on it. And so what I did is remove the boot so you could see the lid switch or the door switch, and the boot has this little wire keeper that goes around the edge of it, which you can access through the bottom here, and I just formed a coat hanger to grab hold of the end and pull it out, and that's pretty easy to do. And you just pull the rubber from the lip of the machine, and once you do that, you remove the 3 screws and you can pull your door switch out. Now this door switch here doesn't want to accept the latch that I took from the door here, so I believe that the door switch is defective, so most likely we'll replace this door switch. Now if your door switch is stuck, you can see here on the bottom, so if your door won't open when you're trying to access your tub here, this has a pull switch on it to open the latch. Now on this particular one it's not working because this whole switch mechanism is defective. But basically you can see if you take the top off or the back off, you can reach up in there to access that little safety open mechanism. So once you've reached up in there, it's sort of tricky to get up in there. You just pull this down and it should open the door for your machine. So anyway, that's your Maytag tip for today. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe.